Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B, question number 20. The area of the rhombus is 216 centimeter square. One of the diagonal is 24 centimeter. Find the length of other diagonal, length of its side and the perimeter. So what is a rhombus? Rhombus is a four-sided figure in which all the four sides are equal, but all the angles are not 90. But the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. They bisect each other. Means this is what they do. Now first we will see the area. What is the area of the rhombus? It is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Right? So area is given. So instead of area we will write 216. Half की जगह पे half. Diagonal 1 की जगह पे we can write 24 into diagonal 2. Let it be D2. This becomes 12. So D2 becomes 216. 12 goes to the other side and becomes divide because it is multiply here. So D2 is 216 divided by 12. That comes out as 18 centimeter. So we got the length of the other diagonal. Now length of the side. So we'll draw the figure little big. This is your rhombus. This is your diagonals. This is your side. Let the side be A. And this is 90 degree. The diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect means this, let it be O. This be A. This be B. This be C. This be D. Then AO, this is second portion, AO is equal to OC. The diagonals bisect each other. And OD is equal to OB. Fine. So AC is how much? AC is one of the diagonal, let it be 24. And the other we calculated as 18, let it be 18. So AO will be half of AC, that will be 12 centimeter. And OB will be how much? Half of 18, the other diagonal, that is 9 centimeter. So we got the, what we got? We got the AO and OB. We can write here the diagonals of rhombus bisects each other at 90 degree. Fine. So now AOB is a right angle triangle. Triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. Okay. So we will apply here Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So in this triangle AOB, this AB is the hypotenuse. Which is the hypotenuse? If suppose this is 90 degree, this becomes base, this becomes perpendicular, and this becomes hypotenuse. So AB is the hypotenuse. So we can write AB square is equal to B square. B is 18, we can take 18 half, that is 9 ka square, because OB is 9 and this is 12 and this is 9. So plus 12 square. This will become 9981 plus 144. So what will AB be? AB will be square root of 81 plus 144, because AB square is this much. So 81 plus 144 is 225. So AB is 225, square root is 15 centimeter. 15 into 15 is 225. So AB is 15. So therefore the side of the rhombus, we calculated the side of the rhombus is 15 centimeter. Now third one is find the perimeter. We know all the sides of the rhombus are same. So what is the perimeter of rhombus? 4 into side. 4 into 15, that is 60 centimeter. So this is how we calculate all the